Today is Take Your Daughter to Work Day, so I'm here with my dad at Belimo. Follow me. This is my dad's new favorite invention. He talks about it all the time. It's called the Belimo ZoneTight zone valve. It's what my dad calls a game changer. It does all sorts of awesome things. Dad says it can even clean itself. I've tried to get my room to clean itself, but it never works. How can it do that?
Well, Bella, the Belimo ZoneTight valve is more than your standard zone valve. Instead of a paddle or short stroke plug, the ZoneTight uses self-cleaning ball valve technology. Let me show you. Paddle and short stroke plug valves are always in contact with the water, which lets dirt and debris build along the sides. Over time, this can eventually block the flow of water. With the Belimo ZoneTight valve, as the ball valve rotates to open and close, it pushes out and removes any pesky particles.
There's a ball in there? Wow, can I play with it?
This is a special ball, one that has an opening that allows water to pass through. And our opening is much larger than most standard short stroke valves. In fact, most valves operate within a small range, about 10% of the total, opening 90% of the time. This tiny opening in typical zone valves can quickly become blocked, preventing the flow of water. The ball valve technology in the ZoneTight valve ensures that it is never clogged and always closes tight.
Is it true that it goes to sleep? Dad says it's always saving its energy.
Well, that's close, Bella. It's actually always saving our customers energy and money. You see, the ZoneTight uses Belimo's dependable actuator technology with a brushless DC motor. As the ZoneTight's actuator runs into full open or closed position, it holds there in a kind of sleep mode or energy-saving mode. Typical paddle valves consume about 6 watts of electricity. Our special motor runs on only 0.3 watts. That's 95% less energy.
So what does that mean?
ZoneTight will last a long time and save energy. Think of it in terms of light bulbs. If the 1 million valves installed every year were all Belimo ZoneTight valves, we'd save 15 million kilowatt hours. All of that saved energy could power 85,620 60-watt light bulbs 8 hours a day for 1 year.
Wow, that is a ton of light bulbs.
But that's not all. Our unique ball valve technology prevents leakage and eliminates ghost energy loss.
A ghost? Oh no, where's the ghost? Is it here?
For some building managers, it can be a very expensive ghost. Here, I'll show you. Follow me. You see how these 2 valves are letting water through even though they're closed? That's what creates our ghost energy. Just 1% of leakage creates a 5 to 10% loss of energy. So even though you think you've closed your valve, you're still using energy that you have to pay for. But our Belimo valve creates a tight, closed seal, preventing any water from getting through, getting rid of that troublesome ghost energy once and for all.
Whew, I'm glad there aren't any ghosts in this building. Belimo is like a ghostbuster. What are you doing down there?
Oh, hi, Bella. I'm actually installing one of the new Belimo ZoneTight valves. Just like that one.
Isn't it hard to get it into that small space?
You know when you play hide and seek with your dad and you could hide under the bed or in a cabinet because you're much smaller than he is? Well, this valve is just like you. Because of its ultra-compact size, the ZoneTight valve could be installed in the tightest of spaces, making it easier for my team and me. And using the Belimo app makes the flow setting process a snap. Just input the required CV or GPM values, and the app tells you which number to set the actuator to. Move the notch to the appropriate number, and you're done.
Come on, Bella. Want to see something cool?
Oh no, did I break it?
Not to worry, Bella. We make our ZoneTight valves like we make all our parts. Built to work and built to last. Season after season, year after year. We believe in the quality so fully, the ZoneTight valve is backed by a 5-year warranty. The only zone valve to do so. Now come on, Bella. Because you are such an expert, I got you something. You are now officially a junior Belimo engineer.
The technology and reliability you know and trust in Belimo actuators and valves are now available in QCV for traditional zone valve applications or in PIQCV for integrated dynamic balancing. More than a standard zone valve, introducing the Belimo ZoneTight, efficient in every way.